a reward that I don't actually have enough for. Star mail. Katie! What's up, Katie? The big storm. I got your mail, of course. I remember that day. I felt like that was when you really connected. It was raining so hard that the streets were flooding, and we took shelter in that cafe. It was like a scene from a movie, only we both looked like wet animals, and the guy running the shop was a real tyrant. The only way we could stay inside was by ordering one coffee after another. I felt like we learned more about each other that day than ever. Maybe it was the coffee, because we were both talking really fast. I told you about my dreams, making music and all that. At least that's how I remember it. Walking home, when the rain came back, you got closer to me and my heart was racing, but I couldn't blame it on the coffee. Aww, that's nice. So that's task 2 I was trying to figure out. Didn't I break you in the last episode? Quantum ornament. Okay. Can I take you? No. Hey guys, Michael here, and welcome back. More Slime Retro. I got a new microphone this time, so my voice should be clearer. But yeah, so I have to find more slimes, I guess. Or yeah, I'm gonna keep you around because you're nice. You're fun. Need to feed you guys. You guys eat anything. You guys are all veggies. So yeah, you eat that. Okay, cool. Go back. Need them mons. Come on. That all of them? Yeah, okay. What do you guys eat? Meat. Okay, so you like my taggies, okay. Oh yeah, I need to put some stuff away. Actually, I'm gonna sleep till morning. Yeah, that's a good idea. Shut up. You guys can eat those. And I'll give a rooster to these guys. Ow, see what happens. Blech. Eat the hand. There we go. Oh yeah, wait. Yeah, you guys give me 2. Okay. Ow. Maybe I should stick to just having the big ones. There are 2 types of the same, because Or at least I should in this one, because now they're just going to keep eating the forts in these two, or these ones are. These tabbies are going to keep eating the forts from the boom tabby largos, and then we're just going to have boom tabby largos completely. Yeah. So maybe I should just do that with those and have tabbies somewhere else. What's over here? Ooh, a jetpack. I need more money if I want to buy some stuff because I want to open a new area. Especially down there. Because I want to know what's down there. This one, not so much. Unless... where does it actually lead to? Yeah, I don't really mind about that. But what I want to do is get into the area that is over there. Because that area supposed to have cool stuff in it. Okie dokie. Also wonder what's down there. So much to do! Get all them plorts. Whoa, not plorts over here. Okay, I forgot what the Gordo I saw through the cave ate. I think it's a veggie, which is what more carrots with me. I can't actually remember for the life of me. I can hear them. Hear them behind me. Okay. I also have no idea how I got to the Gordo. So that's task 2 I have to try and figure out. Didn't I break you in the last episode? Quantum ornament. Okay. Can I take you? No. Okie dokie. Oh shit. Ah, they gone. Cool. Ow! Defeat like 3 towers and then get attacked. Oh, this is so cool. So what? Yeah, you're a rock one, so you eat veggies. Got a bunch of carrots for you. Does that count? No. Alright. Never mind. Any vegetables around here that I can pick up? You think so? Alright, let's go exploring. See what else we can find. Was not looking at the screen, which I walked the wrong way. Okay, cool. Don't worry about it. I got this. I'm an experienced adventurer. Was I here last time? I feel like I was. Ow! Keep forgetting that's not jump. I'm playing a lot of Grand Theft Auto and other games recently. Or Y is jump. These heart things count as vegetables? They should do. I mean, I fed them. Yeah, because I fed them to the rock
slimes back at my place. Oh, you guys are so fucking cute. Collect some more water. I keep forgetting that. Why did I freaking say it? Okay. I'm gonna wait till I got the jetpack to even go over there. Oh, look at that. Pretty lights. And now I really want to go over there. But I'm gonna go feed that Gota first. Because I feel like he should have some good stuff for me. I mean, if he doesn't, I'm gonna have some words, but hang on, do I actually... Ow. That's a rock boom thingy. What should I call it? Shut up, phone. Do I actually kill them when I feed them? Because they do explode. So am I murdering them? I really hope not. Hearts, nice, okay. I have nothing else to give them. So... go back. And deposit my pinky cords. Unless there's some stuff here I can grab. I really want to know how to open these. This is treasure. Ooh. You bastard. Oh, these kind of fruit anyway, so I couldn't give them to the Gota. What is the ornament? Okay, quantum ornament. I have it now. There's another one up here, wasn't there? Well, those quantum ornaments do. So I'm probably going to read up on that after the episode and see what the hell they're all about. Yeah, there's another one here. Okay. Quantum, what if they're quantum slimes? That'd be cool. Well, I hope they'd be cool. If they're just quantum like these things are, then that's not really interesting at all. Okay, I have nothing to feed them with, so I'm gonna try to blaze through here. Oh, you're having a nice. I can collect some rock florets. So what are these? Quantum ornament. I don't actually know, I'm just running through theories in my head. Maybe there's something for the quantum slimes, if they exist. I suspect they would. I mean, quantum. Make some cool signs out of that. Just with the name. Okay. Pink floor depositing. Lots of money. Still not enough. He's old. Is he a hen? I can't even pick him up. Alright. Got some veggies for you guys. And you guys. How'd you get out? Are you getting out because you're exploding and shit? Don't kill the other slimes, I swear to God. Stop exploding! And escaping! Both those things. No. Did you kill some of the rock rots? Did you kill some of the rock slimes, I mean? Ow. I guess you guys are more useful to collect your plorts. If you stop exploding. Why did you explode? Alright, can I put a thing on the top of these so I can get them out? See, they're exploding and then they get out. See, that's how they get out. They explode. Can I put a fucking air net on this thing? Air net, of course, is better than covers the top. Yeah, an air net is a force barrier that covers the top of the corral. Take a few hints when you need to recharge. This is a life force. Oh, for the love of. Come here. You too. How'd you get out? In here. You've been knocked out. What? What? Did I lose everything? Oh, for fuck's sake. Did you get out again? I swear to God. Do in there and stay in there next time. I lost everything. I had quantum ornaments. They're probably very important. And now they're gone. You fucking kidding me? Oh, for the love of... Fine. Alright, I can't take any more. You guys are annoying. Ha 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 ha. How'd you get out? Ow. Get in there and stay in there. I may have to give up on the booms. They are just making my life a living hell. Alright. Collect all these plorts and end the episode there. Try. And well, I guess I can't figure out what those ornaments were since I lost them since you fuckers. Anyway. Feed one last thing to the rock plorts because their plorts are rock slimes because their plorts are worth more. They gave me two. Nice. I also need some more water to protect myself against slimes. Yeah, I'm not doing it for you assholes. I'm doing it for myself. They can kill me. I guess this game is knocked out. Ow. Can you do anything to make you happy? Solar shield, floor collector, auto feeder, high wall. We got those. The Slimepedia. Oh, okay. Okay, so this is slimes. Yeah. Okay. Boom slimes. Favorite bar hen. Archer skills. Medics. Should I keep them happy? So they don't explode all the time. Or is that something they do? Constantly going towards this first version. Okay, if you enjoyed the video, like, comment, subscribe more. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.